I'm Joanne Gossman, and I live right here in Kennesaw, Georgia. I was experiencing a lot of symptoms of menopause, getting older and things starting to go awry, hot flashes, retaining weight in odd spots, and just, all the kind of stuff that goes along with getting older. And I just wasn't ready to be older. I love everybody here. I enjoy coming in. People recognize me. I recognize them. Fun people to work with. They're interested in me. They're interested in how I'm doing. And I feel that with every appointment. So you can't beat that. I have been getting the pellets for, this is my third of 4. And the change has been pretty dramatic. Actually, the hot flashes have gone away. My weight has gone down considerably. I have more energy. I don't have the kind of fogginess and the depression that sometimes comes with hormone imbalances. I just generally feel better. And if I had to give it a percentage, I would say I feel 100% better. Let me just tell you, it's worth every penny to feel this good. Every penny.